Welcome to Debt Busters. Prepare to be thrown headfirst into a mind-boggling world where regular people are amassing excellent fortunes without ever exposing their identities. Let's get down to business. We'll reveal how these enigmatic channels monetize their videos, transforming their compelling material into a cash-generating machine. From advertising revenue to brand collaborations and beyond, we'll look at all their different money streams. But keep in mind, folks, while we'll be sharing our thoughts and views on these mind-blowing channels, please remember that we have no association with them. We will not be liable for any outcomes from your association with them. Now let's look into one of these thrilling YouTube channels called Galina Baby. This excellent channel is ready to blow your head with hilarious, overblown reactions. Galina Baby has a whopping 833,000 subscribers who can't get enough of their infectious enthusiasm, thanks to an impressive 6,421 uploads. With over 423 million video views and growing, it's safe to say that since its inception on November 6, 2015, this channel has taken the internet by storm. Galina Baby, from the vibrant country of Brazil, gives a distinct flavor to the world of film. This channel is a powerhouse, consistently producing interesting stuff that captivates people. The channel's creators and managers seem to understand how to fascinate and engage their audience like no other, whether they're exploring the limits of human emotions or creating their own brand of hilarious challenges. This channel uploads videos at an incredible rate, producing fresh content every single minute. That's correct, you heard correctly. Their unwavering commitment to producing new humorous videos is outstanding. You may wonder how they do it. That is the million-dollar question that has us all perplexed. Let's reveal the secrets behind their spectacular leap to video viewing fame. Have you ever wondered where all the traffic that fills their videos within minutes after uploading comes from? Prepare to have your mind blown, for this channel has figured out how to attract crowds of eager viewers from unexpected places. While YouTube contributes to their success, the true traffic generator is hidden deep within Google's search results. But here's the kicker. It's not only the quality of their reviews that draws people in, it's their unique ability to tap into the internet's collective curiosity. Their videos appear like a digital beacon pointing visitors straight to their content whenever someone searches for a specific product on Google. It's as if they had a direct connection to the minds of millions, feeding their thirst for information and enjoyment all at once. Galina Baby's excellent marketing plan is making waves on Google and YouTube. This channel has cracked the trick of dominating search results and isn't afraid to show it. Consider their video, Prostadine Review. Beware 2023. Prostadine reviews prostate treatment. Did you notice it? They've cleverly repeated the keyword prostadine, not once, not twice, but 3 times in the title alone. What a way to make a statement. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. However, their keyword enchantment does not end there. They continue to sprinkle their selected term like magical breadcrumbs in the video description and even in the timestamp, ensuring that they attract the attention of search engines and interested viewers alike. It's a risky strategy that may raise the eyes of Google and YouTube, but this bold approach distinguishes this channel from the competition. They have perfected the art of recognizing its videos by using keywords, attracting hordes of eager viewers, and increasing their prominence in search results. It's an incredible technique that defies convention and bends the rules, attracting audiences and raising the bar for all content makers. With its wonderfully designed and flashy thumbnails, this channel knows how to make a solid first impression and leave you wanting more. But how do they manage to be so visually skilled? Prepare for an inside peek at their secret weapon, a plethora of unique templates and the power of programs like Canva. They take thumbnail creation to a whole new level, combining their creativity with technological marvels to create fabulous pictures that command attention. They begin by photographing the reviewer in action and translating it into a compelling thumbnail that promises excitement and mystery. This ingenious method allows them to add a personal touch, giving viewers a taste of the adrenaline and excitement that awaits them in the film. But it does not end there. They also use the power of multiple templates and creative tools to transform their thumbnails into visual masterpieces that you can't help but love. They use an astonishing armory of diverse layouts to guarantee that each thumbnail is as unique as the subject it depicts. Bright colors, bold text, and innovative design features create an alluring visual feast that piques your interest and entices you to click. You may wonder how they make their compelling material into a profitable business. Prepare to enter the affiliate marketing world, where they have perfected the art of improving conversions and earning potential. Affiliate marketing is the game's name, and the channel seems to be a master at it. They might begin by selecting firms that sell the items they review and join as affiliates to form a partnership. Once on board, they use their promotional skills to showcase these products to their dedicated audience. But here's where the magic takes place. This channel offers viewers a one-of-a-kind hop link. They earn a commission when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase. They also might be working with affiliate brokers to boost their affiliate marketing efforts. These brokers act as matchmakers, exploring the market for businesses that share Galina Baby's brand and ideals. Galina Baby may focus on what they do best, providing entertaining and valuable content while leveraging the knowledge of these brokers. ClickBank, a famous affiliate marketing network, is one of the critical platforms they use. It handpicks products to advertise through ClickBank, building hop links that are specifically customized to them. This allows them to track sales and receive commissions effortlessly, enhancing their earning potential. But wait, there's more. They also use the buygoods.com platform, which allows affiliates to promote a wide selection of products. Galina Baby provides users with new opportunities for promoting products for companies to their audience by becoming affiliates and obtaining the unique links they basically include in their descriptions. Now it seems they've cracked the code on creating interesting material by combining the power of two main sites and employing a novel approach to product disclaimers. Prepare to be surprised as we reveal the secrets behind their enthralling videos and the fantastic support they receive. They have dynamically approached video creation, gaining inspiration from the products available on the previously listed websites. They carefully select products to feature in their videos, assuring a broad choice of content that keeps their audience interested and returning for more. They also have the latest must-have trendy products and life-changing equipment. But here's where it gets exciting. They sometimes use disclaimers strategically to increase audience engagement. They emphasize in each video that viewers should only purchase the offered products through their unique affiliate links. This not only helps the channel to earn a percentage of sales, but it also assures that viewers receive the genuine products seen in the films rather than falling victim to counterfeit or untrustworthy sources. The fantastic support this channel gets from its audience cannot be overstated. The comment section of their videos is packed with favorable feedback from fans who appreciate the instructive and entertaining stuff they deliver. This outpouring of love demonstrates its impact on its audience and the trust they have earned through its natural and engaging approach. But here's the catch. They do not always create all the videos. They take advantage of the immense talent pool accessible on platforms like Upwork.com, engaging experienced individuals who charge affordable rates to create compelling explanation videos without purchasing the products directly. This strategic approach enables them to cover a wide range of items, delivering relevant insights and recommendations to their audience while using the experience of industry specialists. Well, many channels, not only Galina Baby, are likely harnessing the power of ChatGPT, an AI language model, behind the scenes to create captivating scripts for their videos. This incredible tool assists users in brainstorming ideas, fine-tuning their material, and ensuring that every word spoken on camera captures their audience's attention. The screenplays are then given to the outstanding individuals who will bring these words to life, bringing their own flair and personality to the production. But that's just the start. To create a visually spectacular experience, producers use CapCut, a handy program that offers a plethora of editing features at a low cost. Creators can capture movies while the screenplay dynamically unfolds for as little as $5, ensuring the images properly coincide with the narration. This seamless blend of content and compelling images increases viewer engagement and makes an indelible impression. What about videos that don't have on-screen personalities? Not to worry, developers have much robust software at their disposal. They use artificial intelligence-based techniques like 11 Labs to create faultless voiceovers, replicating human speech patterns and inflections. This excellent AI clone voiceover ensures the content is conveyed professionally and clearly, enthralling the listener from beginning to end. Creators also use services like Pictory to add a layer of visual appeal, where a massive library of stock footage awaits. These beautiful pictures, meticulously chosen to match the writing, bring the narrative to life, immersing viewers in an awe-inspiring visual voyage. Click my link in the description to try Pictory for yourself for free. Making a few dollars online passively is okay, but if you prefer a more active approach to making money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the crazy $1,000 a day, faceless YouTube channel strategy. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing the best online video editor, 2023, Pictory step-by-step tutorial. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the best online video editor, 2023, Pictory step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.